Hey, this is Scott Ackley with Ackley Cabinet. Thanks for joining us today. We're just putting the finishing touches on this kitchen, on the cabinets. They are going to be getting the new backslash installed and a hood installed by the end of the week here. So just give you guys a quick overview. They had dark oak cabinets, nice custom oak cabinets. They were starting to get a dated style. And what we did, the big change in the room was actually extending the cabinets up to the ceiling. This is actually the top of the cabinet box. What we did was remove the top rail, put our trim on the front of the ceiling of the cabinet, and then match the interior to the lower opening, and then just carry the taller doors up with new crown, and it just makes the room look a lot bigger, a lot taller. It was all open soffits before, as you can see in the before picture. Came out great. It really looks good. It's definitely a great way to update the whole look and feel of the kitchen if it makes sense, and if the original cabinets have an open soffit over top of them. And the other thing that was a nice kind of update, they had two cooktops beforehand. The gas was in the island, so they rerouted that over to the wall here. Just have the one cooktop now, and then got nice drawers in the island here for a lot of storage. And then as I was putting this together, one little thing that I noticed that you don't run into every day that could be easy to miss, centering the hardware on the upper drawers here, having the two drawers above, wasn't necessarily going to line up if you did the holes on the wide drawers on quarters. So actually I had to plan ahead and measure it in from the sides to get these all lining up nice and straight. So just a little thing that I ran into. Usually don't come across little details like that all the time, but it's always good to kind of catch things like that. So they got a new waist rollout, updated a lot of lower cabinets to drawers, got some nice white pullouts, and just got nice bright white coming from dark oak. So they're super happy with it, and wrapped it up in just about 2 weeks. So thanks for joining us. I'm glad you could check out the completed project, and we'll see you on the next job.